Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what a designer does. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, a designer is a creative profession. It got the following characteristics. Design is the creative process of mental configuration in search of a solution in any visual or perceptible field. Generates and projects objects, products, and services from its conception to its implementation and use in a linear or circular process. The designer has diverse fields of action and study: graphic, industrial, fashion, interior, architecture, multimedia, and many more. Designers specialize in a certain field and use various methodologies and tools to carry out certain activities. The design thinking methodology is used transversally in any field of design. Design is not an operational activity, but an activity that develops conceptual and creative skills. Okay, so when we talk about what a designer does, we have to understand first a couple of things. Design is a world. That world has different fields. The first field is graphic. It means everything that is 2D. It means two dimensions. We got digital marketing, we got branding, we got illustration, we got web and app development, we got photography, and we got editorial design. This is very important because here you have to learn how to put together all the developments. Here you can make infographies, you can make anything that is two dimension, and sometimes you can also animate this kind of developments. Graphic design is extremely big. It got many different elements, and you can use it not just in graphic design, but it's also very important for other developments. Then we got industrial design. What kind of stuff we got in industrial design? We got all the furniture development, all the lighting development, automotors, and automotors is extremely big because we got cars, motorcycles, ships, airplanes, all that you can imagine that have a motor. We also have packaging, we have crafts, we have everything that is mass production. If you got that, it means that it's part of the development. And we got also BTL. BTL, it's everything that develop a experience and you can use in a POP product and all that is a production and promoting of a specific product. A very important characteristic of industrial design is that everything is 3D. And the production, it means that if you are making something industrial, it means that it can be made in a mass production line or project as well. Then we got fashion, and in fashion we got also a lot of things that are very big and very important as well. We got jewelry, we got accessories, we got clothes, and clothes is extremely big because we got shoes, sneakers, t-shirts, dress, pants, anything that you can imagine that you can wear may part of that. In fashion, it's also very important trends, and basically that competence come from fashion, but is used in every single design in different fields. Then we got interiors, and interiors is very important because we are talking about architecture, and architecture means the distribution that you put together in all the development. So that is very important because allow the people to understand and create different experience in a specific field. Then we got multimedia, and multimedia is the field of design that is growing up more fast because it got a lot of technology. And here we got video games, we got 360 and high-tech design, we got augmented reality, anything that is focused on technology and had competence in multimedia, it means that it's technological. These competence are like the main focus and what compose the universe of design. However, as this is like the blueprint of design, we also have a specific focus that allowed you to develop different kind of projects, products, services, or even business. So you can focus your research or your developments in social. Social means that you are care about some other people, that you are trying to improve the environment, a social situation. Also, there is something very important that is called UX or experience. People believe that that is just for web design. That is a complete misunderstanding. The idea is that any development that you make have a strong experience. It means that people will remember what happened when it was developing something. So now this concept of experience, it will allow you that the people remember and care about what you are doing. Then we got eco design. Eco design is extremely important because it will allow you to reuse the main material of something that is being developed. Also, make the best advantage and make the best possibilities with the resources that you have to make a product or service that care about the environment. Also, we got something very important that is entrepreneurship. It means that you want to develop your own business. It means that you want to create something that will make you productive in a specific field. Sometimes people create an agency of different kind of focus or create a product that want to develop and sell. So entrepreneurship is very important because it means that you are gonna do it by yourself and you're gonna have to find all the resources not just to product but are also to make your company grow. Design thinkers, and design thinker is what I am. It means it's a person that develop anything, try to helping someone else. We create something focus on needs, and needs are extremely important because it means that we are never going to develop anything shallow, but anything that we create has the focus to improve the life of someone. That is very important as well. User-centered design is the principle of design nowadays. It means that if you are going to develop something, it has to be focused on a user. It's not of what you think or what you like. It's focused on improve someone's life. And for me, that is the most important principle in design nowadays. And also the part of management. Management means that you have to make it happen, that you are responsible for all the product, service, all the production, all the things that you need. Management needs a lot of thinking and be very strategic in what you are doing. This video wants to summarize what really a designer does. And why that? Because it's important to know that a person who only knows how to operate a design software is not a designer. That is just a technical skill. It's very important to understand that a designer think and make it happen. Someone who operates a software skill is not a designer. It's someone that know how to do that. It's technical. But the designer, a professional designer, is focused on make it happen, but also create the concept. A software is a technical tool that allow you to perform a task, nothing more. People sometimes think that because if you are good in Photoshop or you are good in Illustrator, you are a designer. And that is not the case. Because that's why you go to the university and that's why you study 4 or 5 years to get your degree. Because anyone can learn how to operate a software. However, not anyone know how to think and create a whole universe of experiences and fix and make it a better world with design. The world trend is to study design and specialize in one or more fields, maintaining transversal skill as it is done in engineer. And that's very important. Nowadays, back in the day, you used to study graphic design or industrial or interior. Nowadays, the trend is that you study design and then you specialize in a specific field that you like. So, for example, if you like multimedia, you should have competence in graphic design. That is extremely important because it will allow you to develop a better products or services. So that is very important. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you to all of you. We are the number design thinking channel and innovation channel in the whole YouTube universe. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.